Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how we can use the function in shell scripting. So let's try to understand first code. So like in C, we can define the function, okay, and in this function, whatever you want to print, you can use or print or whatever you want to do, you can do it here. So here I am just printing echo hello world, and after closing this function, we'll have to call the function like this, okay. So let's try to run this code. Hello. Now let's understand second example, how we can pass some arguments into the function. So here you can see I have one function greet. In this greet function I have one variable which is name, and here I have assigned $1. So $1 means this will be the first argument for the code, and then I am printing here echo hello and $name. Okay, so whatever you are going to assign, your function will print it. And when I am calling this greet function, so I am just passing here first Ram, then I am passing Sham, so you will get an output like Ram and Sham. So this is how we can pass the argument into the function. So let's run this code, and you can see here we are getting the output like this. Now let's try to understand third example. So in the third example, you can see I have one function which is called check number. In this check number, we are going to check the value is greater than or less than. So we have already seen this example in our previous code, but without the function. So if one is like greater than 0, then it will return 0, and then else it will return 1. So 0 means, guys, if you are getting the response of any function, then it is success. If you are getting 1 or negative value, then it is failure. Then I have assigned the check number I 1. So this is sorry, check number value is 5. So as I mentioned, if you are passing $1, that will be the argument for your function. So here we are passing check number 5. Then this is the condition where if it is equal to 0, then number is positive. If not, then number is not positive. So you can put other condition also. You can also call the check number. So here you will get the output like this. So let's run this code. So this number is positive. Now let's understand the simple use case. For example, if we need to download any file using the shell script, and you want to check whether if your file is downloaded, then you should get download success. If not, then download failure. So जैसा आप लोग ऑलरेडी विंडोज में या कहीं पे भी आप देखते हो, click on the download button, and once the file will be downloaded, we always get message now file downloaded successfully, right? So similarly, we have to do write one script here and perform the same action item. So here, guys, this is the I2C tool. I just want to download this file using my shell script and want to check the status. So let's try to write this code. So I have one variable URL. In the URL, I have assigned the link of this I2C tool. So guys, one thing, if you want to check this without the shell scripting also, let me just show you first. I am onto the desktop. Okay, you can simply use wget command. Okay, when we use wget command, you can download this file onto the desktop. Okay, if you will go into the desktop, you can see this file is downloaded. Okay, but what we are trying to do here is it is with the shell scripting. So here again we are checking that we have one function which is check download status, and in this check download status, if the return is 0, then download completed successfully, else download failed. So in echo, this is the echo starting download URL from this. So what will be the value of URL? It will print here, and then guys, simple this command wget URL. So the same command which I have used it here, right? Not in this window and this window wget. Okay, and then check the download status. So whatever the return, so if it is 0, then download completed successfully. If it will return 1 or negative value, then it will print download failed. Okay, so let's run this code. sorry, so here we'll have to do one thing. We'll have to change the permission again, x for function dot sh, and then execute this. So you can see it is printing download successfully. Let's try to amend one point. I'm just going to remove, change the name. Okay, for example, this file doesn't exist actually. Okay, and what happens? You can see we are getting download fail. So this is how the function works into the shell script. Thanks for watching.